Welcome to the Crypto Infinity channel where we try to help you find infinite ways to make money. My name is Hector and my goal is to help you reach financial freedom. Now before we get started, go hit the like and subscribe. Not a financial advisor, but now let's get started with your daily market update. So we take a look here, we do have the market cap sitting at $924 billion. We are literally down $2 trillion from the top of the market, which is back in November. We are down almost 10% over the last 24 hours, with Bitcoin sitting at 21,000, which is down 25% over the last week. We have Ethereum sitting at 1100, 33% over the last week. We do have XRP and Cardano down here. We have Cardano sitting at 47 cents, 20% down for the week. XRP at 31 cents, 19% over the last week. It's just been horrible. We do have CRO down here at 11 cents. Chainlink, $6. Stellar XLM at 10 cents. And Algorand at 30 cents. VeChain is at 2 cents. So again, the market has just been horrible. But again, this is a perfect time to buy. Even though I do believe we are going to keep on going down. But some people like to buy on the way down. So whatever you want to do. So if we take a look at the crypto bubbles, the market again has just been horrible. This is for the week. Everything's just in the red except for these couple coins. We do have Yunus said Leo at $5.33, which is up a little bit, I guess, for the week. But other than that, the rest of the market is in the red. Again, Bitcoin is at 21,000, almost hitting 22. Technicals is a strong sell point. So if you're already in there and you're down, you might as well just keep on holding your coins. But again, if you want a dollar cost average, keep on buying and just DCA. H-bar, same thing, 6 cents. Top of the market was right here at 57 cents. So 6 cents is a long ways down from the top of the market. So it's a good entry point, I believe, in my opinion. Technical saying it's a good time to sell. Again, if you're already down, just keep on holding your tokens, your coins, and don't sell. Not financial advice, so whatever you want to do, if you want to sell or not, that's your choice, not mine. But again, so we did have two stable coins depeg from its dollar value. So we did have USDN hit about 63 cents May 13th. So literally almost a month later, we do have it at 95 cents. So that's not looking too good for USDN or for the market as well. So we also have USDD sitting at 98 cents, losing its dollar peg as well. Again, not good at all. So on some bullish news, we do have Hedera sitting at, again, 6 cents. But today they made it official that they are proud to announce that 1 million mainnet accounts have been created on the Hedera network and still growing. So they're pretty much saying that let's see what the future holds and see you all at 2 million accounts. So again, this is going to be inevitable. Like, it's going to happen. 2 million accounts, 10 million accounts. Like, it's going to happen. So on to the next article, we do have Crypto.com says it will lay off 260 employees, joining the downsizing wave hitting crypto exchanges. So Crypto.com CEO said the exchange will lay off 260 workers, or 5% of its workforce. Other exchanges, including Gemini and Coinbase, have also announced layoffs or plans to freeze the hiring. I also heard that Coinbase has, if they had offered already some employees the job, they took back that job offer. So, I mean, we are in a bear market. That's just, all of this is pretty much just confirming that we're in a bear market. I've been stating that we are in a bear market for a while now. But if you don't believe me, this is what it looks like. So market slump has eaten into the trading fees that are an important source of revenue. Another crypto exchange has announced that it will be laying off workers. So the approach is to stay focused on executing against our roadmap and optimizing for profitability. As we do so, that means making difficult and necessary decisions to ensure continued and sustainable growth for the long term by making targeted reductions of approximately 5% of the corporate workforce. So the CEO did not specify when the layoffs will be happening, but he did state they will be happening. So pretty much saying that that means difficult and necessary decisions will is pretty much why they're getting rid of their workforce. So on June 2nd, Coinbase said it will freeze hiring and withdraw some job offers. On the same day, Gemini said it was going to cut the about 10% of its workforce. So again, this is what a crypto winter looks like. Again, this is way worse than everybody else expected. We didn't expect Bitcoin to hit 20,000 again, but here we are today. It did hit 20,000, and I do expect it to keep on dropping. Potentially on Wednesday with the Fed hikes going above. I think I read that it was going to be about 0.75 BPS. So we'll see what happens Wednesday. Uh, Pretty much crypto prices plunge as major exchanges halt trading. So today, earlier in the day, we did have two exchanges kind of freeze their accounts. We did have Celsius, and we also had Binance. So deepening sell-off in cryptos, two popular platforms blocked investors from buying and selling digital assets. So again, not your keys, not your crypto. If you wanted to sell, you couldn't. It was locked up by Binance and Celsius. Crypto lending company Celsius late Sunday said it was halting users from making withdrawals, trades, and transfers between accounts due to extreme market conditions. So, one of the bigger crypto lending platforms with roughly 1.7 million customers and more than $11 billion in customer assets didn't immediately respond to the request for a comment on Monday. So, hours after the Celsius announcement, Binance became the second platform to pause transactions. So, they did tweet today that there was going to be a 30-minute pause on Bitcoin withdrawals due to a stuck transaction causing a backlog. So if stuff is getting stuck right now, like it's not good. Like all these Bitcoin maxis are screaming and shouting, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin is good, but like for the long term, like it's not good to have all these transactions, and especially if you're waiting 30 minute. If you're having a 30-minute pause on Bitcoin withdrawals due to a stuck transaction, like as just it's not good. It doesn't look good on the crypto industry. So pretty much this was a tweet from Celsius. Celsius Network is pausing all withdrawals, swap, and transfers between accounts. Acting in the interest of our community is a top priority. Our operations continue and we'll continue to share information with the community. So if you want some more information, go ahead and click here. We'll type this link in. So the trading suspensions come amid a $1 trillion loss in cryptos in the last 2 months alone, according to Reuters. So pretty much some investors are shying away from the risky investments because we do have the highest inflation within the last 40 years. And there's lots of fears with the recession that a recession is coming. So there's also been with this a bank run. The shutdown at Celsius sparked anger and frustration on social media, with the company giving no indication in its announcement when it would allow users to access their funds. This is not okay. You're losing trust within your patrons and not acting in the best interest of your community. Yes, that is correct. That is like dead on the money. Pretty much, they're not acting in the best interest of their community. They're acting for themselves. Like it's not good if you can't access your funds. So again, another reason where I believe, in my opinion, that the market is headed down a little bit more is the Fed likely to boost interest rates by 3/4 of a point this week. So they did say last time when they raised it that it was gonna be half a point, but this time it's gonna be 3/4 of a point, which is the best possibility. They haven't stated it yet, but they said it will be most likely that they'll raise it up by 75 bips. So the markets are beginning to anticipate an even faster pace of interest rate hikes, and Federal Reserve officials apparently are contemplating the possibility as well. So the central bank policymakers are entertaining the idea of 75 basis point increase to the Fed's benchmark funds rate that banks charge each other for overnight financing. So, like it states here, a 75 basis point move is a real distinct possibility. Again, the markets did react pretty good last time because they did state there wasn't gonna be no more than a 50%, well, 50 point increase for the next interest rate hikes coming up. But now that they announced a 75 basis points increase, it's not looking too good for the markets. So we might be priced in for Wednesday. We might not. But again, we'll have to wait and see what happens for Wednesday. But as of now, again, it's not looking too good. But for now, that's all we have for the daily market update today. Thanks to each and every one of you. Remember, if you like the content, hit the like and subscribe. Make sure you share the video. I will be posting the Twitter handle below this video. Thanks, and until next time.